Hi, my name is Anjum. Today I'm talk about what is influence marketing and types of influence marketing or influencer. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Let's start. What is influencer marketing? Influencer simply is those people or celebrities they have a large or small audience on social media. Uh, People have a misconception about influencer. They think if they have a massive audience, then they call influencer, but is now modern age definition is not true. You can call yourself an influencer if you have a 1000 follower or even less, because you simple is that if you are in a digital platform, digital marketing, and if you are digital platform use and create a content for other people and selling a product and services in social media, then you call influencer. What is influencer marketing? Influencer marketing is if you are sell a product or service by using a social media or their marketing, then you call a influencer or social media marketer. Why industry need an influencer means that why nowadays influencer have a very big demand from companies, and why influencer are going to making a money nowadays. Why industry need influencer? Because before social media, let's go before, then we have a very good idea why influencer come and why the market need them. Before the social media, companies are going to a big celebrities to sell their products, and it's very hard to get them. They are very expensive, take a millions to promote products, and they sell only a small amount of return back. Now what has happened that they sell only a specific product and they work with only a limited company, so then they don't saturate their paying market. Means that if they have worked with every companies, what happened that their market value is going to down, their celebrities the pay income is going to down, so they don't like to work with many people. Another problem was that the celebrity sports star are very expensive to hire. Everybody know that they have a massive contracts and they demand very high, or they because they are celebrity, it doesn't mean they have a very good audience. Mean when you increase your volume in any industry, what happened, you had not a specific audience, and what happened with that, they are not very connected. Everybody know that celebrity are not going to in the street and hi-fi other people. So what happens when you are not connected to your audience, it is necessary that your audience don't sell your product from you. The company realized that if they have a celebrities and very expensive and they don't perform as their expectation, the marketing company sees a different opportunity. What have do? They try the influencers. What happened when the influencer comes and they charge less and promote the product because they are well connected to audience, means that they're selling many higher amount of product than celebrities. Then company, right, if they pay attention to influencer and they realize that if hire one celebrity and they work with 100 influencer as compared to them. Another thing was that they diversify reach according to their speed. Means that when influencer post their material or content or product, by time they increase the sales, and by time they become more and more expert, they're easier to sell their audience. Statistics about influence marketing. The growth of influence industry is a very good reason to become an influencer. If you are thinking about going into a influencer industry, or you think you can, why we need why we choose influencer marketing, then let's see the statistics. In influencer marketing industry, 2019 is making $8 billion. So it's now next year what happened that they increase to 15 to 20 billion dollar. This is a big industry now, and they are going, and it's hoped that they after next year is also increase their revenues. Example of influencer. There are many examples of influencer, but I think this is let us start simplify the video influencer. Video influencer are those who make a content around by videos like a YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, live streaming. Second was the blog influencer. Blog influencer are those who see that who write the content in website. You also people read it. Mostly a review products. Social media influencer are those who post feeds in Instagram or other social media platform. Celebrity influencer, those who are the celebrities and those influenced by using the social media platforms. Four types of influencer. I think there are the four types of influencer. One is a mega influencer. Second is a macro influencer. Third is a micro influencer, and fourth is a nano influencer. Let's see what they are the types and how they different to each others. The mega influencer. Mega influencer, those have a large following. It's say that up to 1 million people. The mega influencer have a large audience, but problem was that they are very distracted and they are not particular audience. This is the same problem we see in the celebrities, but also see in the mega influencer. When they are mega influencer, they have a very large audience and people around them are not very well connected. The more audience have means the more expensive. The price is increased due to volume of audience. They have a very large audience, they have a large volume, and their pricing is also high. Macro influencers, second one was macros have a large following. It's up to around 100,000, and the macro influencer have a large audience, but they are more distracted, but less distracted than a mega influencer. They are more expensive also, but they are very good. They have touch with the audience, but they have a volumes. It doesn't mean they have a not, but they are not more connected than a mega. Third one is a micro influencer. A micro influencer, our range is 10,000 to 1 lakh. The engagement are strong with their audience because they have a micro means they have less volume. They have a particular niche working with the particular niche. They have a choose niche very well, and they have a very large connection with their bonding with them. Example, they have a traveling. They make a traveling video like a travel vlogs. People see that the people are those who are going around and trip around the world, and they stay with other different hotels, beaches, and clubs. So they see the showing us the outside of sceneries, islands, and many things other. They are right choice for a company to promote a product because they are very specific to audience and they sell better than other two. Nano influencer. There is a nano influencer range of 1,000 to 10,000. They have a limited audience but high bond with the audience because they have a limited audience. They are very connected. They are those people who connect with the audience, answer their comments, like their posts, people comment. So they are very interactive with their communities. They have a community group. Let's suppose they answer their audience. The people ask about them. They answer them. They make content around them. Why nano? Why I say in first you should also become a influencer because nano influencer is an influencer target mostly company. If you are thinking that I have not a big audience or I need a big audience to become to earn money, but it is not to. The career start with nano influencers is a very good opportunity because many companies are looking for those type of influencer because they have a less expensive. If let's suppose that I hire a mega influencer, if the same amount I pay to 100 nano influencers, so companies are diversifying their audience, and they have want to promote. They have preferred to promote 100 nano influencer than one mega influencer. So this is a theory behind nano influencer, or you can make money as a nano influencer. If you have any question around influencer marketing or types of influencer, let's comment below. And if you like this value video or my content, please subscribe my channel.